Welcome back to CryptoWealthy channel, guys. In today's video we are going to go only through the XRP price over here. We're going to discuss about targets of the XRP and the new trade that we did after this pump and dump trade that we have. We are going to discuss about trouble areas. We're going to discuss about the next level of resistances and also level of supports for the XRP. What could we expect from the price? And now let's begin. So the first thing first, let's discuss about weekly chart, and then we're slowly going to go towards 1 hourly chart. As you can see on the weekly chart, we have two last candles over here, pump and dump, pretty much from the Wall Street guys. If you remember that pump from the previous week, we managed to enter the point of 48.5 or something cents on the XRP, and I sold actually on the 66 or something, which was pretty good profits taken in just few days. Actually it was just 2 days or something like that. After that, price managed to retrace all the way down towards 33 cents and now rebound and hovering around approximately 42 cents. Now the things that we should discuss about over here, what should we expect at this week? So what happened on the weekly chart is actually after that pump, XRP got some big volatility at this week, and also we managed to retest 20 exponential moving average. One interesting fact is that we rebounced very powerful over here, and as you can see, we are still above this yellow line, this 20 exponential weekly moving average, which could give XRP some credibility for this pump and continue pushing towards the upside. Now let's discuss about another double trade that we took after we took the profits of that pump. If we switch on the daily chart, if we dive into a little bit deeper things over here, the reason why I took this trade is because of the formation. I'm reading the candlestick Japanese candlestick patterns book, and over here we have perfectly good formation. I will actually take this off over here so you can see what I'm talking about. We have the big red candle, and after that you have one doji candle over here, and after the doji candle you have one green candle. These three candles are pretty much formation for some sort of a bottom after some down pressure from the price. As you can see, we have the long candle over here, long body, then you have the small body, which is pretty much stopping the bears pushing towards the downside and the upside. So you have undecisive bears over here, and already next candle bears are losing control and we have a push towards the upside. When I saw this candle over here, I knew that something will most probably happen, especially because we are above 20 exponential daily moving average also on the daily chart, and this is another clue that we are going to see some volatility but towards the upside. If we come back over here on with our drawings, you can see few lines over here that we draw. Those lines are pretty much the trouble areas and the level of supports and resistance for the XRP and where we enter the point also. If we switch further towards the 4 hourly chart, only now you can see something over here that is developing. We have one of them. The thing that I want to trade over here is this zone approximately, which is 59 to 60 cents or even 63 cents, somewhere approximately around here. I will just explain you why this area exactly. Then we have entry point on approximately 40 cents or something. Right now we are in profits because we are on the 43 cents with the XRP price, and we have two in between lines, which could be the trouble area for the XRP to our goal over here of 60 cents per 1 XRP. Now, as you can see, the first trouble area that we drawn over here is already happening. We are seeing some decline from this first trouble area. We can switch to the 1 hourly chart over here, and as you can see, first trouble area managed to play out over here. We had a pretty heavily decline from it, and right now the price is trying to regain its power to break this trouble area over here. I'm not going to take any profits over here because this is something funny over here. If we measure we can say 7% in profits or something, but we're going to push most probably towards this area over here. Now, the thing that most probably will hold XRP over here it's pretty much 49.5 cents or 50 cents approximately. This area is going to hold most probably the price. One of the reasons for that is the Fibonacci level. The most important level as a target is on those levels, and I'm about to show you where. So as you can see, the most important Fibonacci level for the targeting and for the support is 0.6188, which is standing approximately on 0.49 cents, almost on the target area where we drawn over here. So this area is most probably going to be the big trouble area for the XRP. Now, something very interesting happened on the XRP chart while we were pumping those two green candles over here, ladies and gentlemen. If we come to the indicators, which are RSI and the MACD, you can see that slowly on the daily chart, but surely those two indicators are turning into the bullish side. Also on the 4-hourly chart, you can see that the first convergence is happening after few days, actually from 1st February, 2-3 days. We are seeing now the first convergence after that dump over here. We are seeing convergence into the bullish side, and also RSI is slowly starting to picking the steam, and as you can see, the price is also following the same action. So the first trouble area is still making us trouble over here. The next is most probably going to be at around 49.5 cents or 50 cents approximately, and the final target where we should take some profits is around 60 cents approximately. So this is it for the 4-hourly chart. If we switch on the 1-hourly chart, you can see that even there MACD and the RSI are a little bit bullish. If you come back on the weekly chart, which is higher time frame and it has much more credibility, you can see that those two moving averages are still trying to cross each other into the bullish side. We may actually see this next week if we see this momentum like this, or a little bit more bullish, if this candle becomes a little bit smaller, right? If the current price comes near to the open on this week over here, we may see convergence on the MACD also, and most probably the RSI will continue following the same path over here. We don't see any sort of a bearish divergence whatsoever. So far so good. We're still bullish on the XRP, even so that pump and dump situation was artificial and announced. If we narrow down this to the 15 minutes chart, you can see that the XRP is slowly but surely making some sort of a consolidation pattern over here, bullish pennant in this case scenario, since we are going towards the upside. And after all, we are going to see some sort of a breakout sooner or later, most probably until 5th of February, we can say 1:30 over here AM, I think. Yes, we could see some sort of a breakout, which is today, ladies and gentlemen, in a few hours or so. So let's see how the XRP will play out these cards over here, because I think if this pennant break to the upside, most probably the first trouble area is going to be diminished over here, and then we should expect the next trouble area on the daily chart. If we switch over here, you can see it's 49 cents to 50 cents over here, which is pretty much close and open of these pump and dump candles over here. So I think this is it for today, ladies and gentlemen. This is what we are expecting from the XRP. We have two trouble areas on the daily chart, pure and very neat. We are expecting to break, of course, but everything could happen. So let's observe how the price will react. I will most probably lift my stops, so we will see if the price will actually stop me, or we're going to see much bigger gains from this second entry point on the XRP. I want to thank each last one of you for watching our videos. Till the next episode, happy trading and goodbye.